Outlook tips: save emails as PDF files. Need to save important Outlook emails as PDF files for records, sharing, or backup? Here are 2 ways to do it in Outlook. Method 1. Save one email as a PDF using Print. First, select the email you want to save as a PDF. Click the File tab. Then click Print. In the Printer drop-down menu, choose Microsoft Print to PDF. Then click the Print button. In the Save Print Output as window, choose a path to save it, and enter a file name. Click Save. The selected email is now saved as a PDF file. This built-in method is simple, and works well when you only need to save one email. But if you need to save multiple emails, repeating the print steps one by one can be slow. You also have fewer options when exporting several emails at the same time. Method 2. Batch save emails with Kutools for Outlook. After downloading and installing Kutools for Outlook, open Outlook and select the emails you want to save. Switch to the Kutools tab. Click More Actions. Then choose Save the selected emails as PDF or other formats. In the pop-up window, choose the folder where you want to save the PDF files. Check the PDF format option. You can also specify the message contents in the Save Content section. Click OK. The selected emails are saved as PDF files at once. Compared with the print method, Kutools is much faster when you need to save many emails. You can export multiple emails in batches instead of processing them one by one. It also gives you more format options, so you can save emails as PDF files, or other available file types. So if you only need one email, Outlook's print feature is enough. But for batch saving, cleaner exporting, and more flexible file formats, Kutools for Outlook is the easier choice. Kutools for Outlook, with more than 100 essential and advanced features. Explore this AI-enhanced tool today.